scared. I'm scared. This is scary. Hi, I'm Claire. And as you saw from the title, I'm going to be trying to attempt a Bob Ross painting. Let's just get a few things straight. One, I am not a painter. I'm a crafter. And this will actually be like one of my first paintings. I've made a couple watercolor ones from when I was like 5. So there's been a big gap in time since I've done a painting. Bob Ross is a pretty chill guy, but he makes all the things he do look so easy. So we're going to be attempting that. I'm probably going to fail. Future self is probably telling me to not do this right now. But we're going to get started. So the painting I'm going to be attempting at is the Island in the Wilderness, season 29, holy cow, episode 1. So if you want to do it alongside me. Also, I have the wrong type of paint, which is just setting me up for failure. So please pray for me because this is probably not going to go well, but I have acrylic paint instead of oil paint. We're just gonna not talk about that. We're gonna hope for the best. I also do not have the same exact types of brushes, so that might also be a problem too. This is the canvas we're working with. So we have this nice shot of my thing, and we also got our supplies. I got some paint brushes. I also don't have a scraper, so I got this X-Acto knife blade. We'll see how that works, but of course the first step is to start by painting with liquid white, as Bobby would say, my boy Bob. We just gotta keep in mind, all the mistakes are just happy little accidents. Also, this isn't opening. What the heck? Oh, there we go. I only watched like the first 5 minutes of this video, so I don't really know where this is going to go. But we're gonna ploop. You can't even see this. We're gonna ploop our white. Okay, we're just gonna be plooping it onto here. Woo! Also, I don't know, I'm not ever really smart because I always wear a full black outfit on painting days. Ooh. Okay, so far, we have to work fast because unlike oil paints, acrylic dries very fast. So, dippy do. Oh no, there's a hair.
Yeah. I have gotten the hair.
Okay, so we're just chilling. I'll do a little time lapse. I was asking my dad, I was like, oh, just like a little bit ago, I was like, I'm gonna go paint a Bob Ross painting. Then he was like, who's Bob Ross? And I was like, what? Because I was looking at these episodes and they're from 1987. So I'm like, Dad, how do you not know who Bob Ross is?
Even my brother knew, and he doesn't really know things.
Is that a hair? I think we may be on to our next thing. I got a wider angle so you guys can see. Well, you can't still even see my head. But if it's out of focus, I'm sorry.
You've been with us before. Please allow me to thank you
Okay.
for inviting us back for another series of painting shows.
Come on, Bobby.
We'll use about a dozen colors.
The first color is going to be pink.
Let's start with a little 2-inch brush.
Maybe we need to get closer. I don't know. I've never done one of these painting videos. We've already done our white, but now for a scary color, we have to do our pink. And, ooh. Oh gosh, no, I squirted too much. So I think I'm going to use this smaller brush because Bob's painting is much larger and mine's not. So we're just going to do, okay. Painting smaller might actually be easier. He does this in like 2 seconds, and obviously it takes me like 20 minutes, so, ooh, okay, scared. Like right about, let's zoom out. Okay, ooh. Oh, smaller painting, ooh, it's going away. Smaller painting is much harder. I don't like this. How do you do those X's? Can I not even do an X? Obviously, because you're watching the video, but just how does he make it blended that look? Everybody who does these YouTube videos, they make it look too easy. turns out all good. But no, guys. Maybe, hopefully it will get easier. My arm just doesn't work that way. We're just gonna add some little shadows and highlights. Hopefully I can somehow make this video look interesting. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our blue. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, no. Happy little accidents, Claire. Happy, happy, happy. Ow! Oh my god. For blue, we're just gonna be doing a little mixy-mixy. Oh, Bob, you don't know what you've gotten yourself into. I don't know, Bob. I don't know. This is oh my god! What is that? What? We're gonna go in with water to blend because that seems like a good idea. I'm gonna try and fix this. So here we are right now. It's definitely not blended and it's not focusing. What the heck? Hello, it's terrible, but not too terrible. So we're gonna keep on working on it.
Have a little stringer clip. There. Let's see. Oh, we have that on there? Let's have some water in this painting. I love water. I didn't add the happy little cloud because I think my happy little cloud would be sad. We're making this contraption of a nice watery color. I hope it's focused. Inside. Unicorny to me, which would have been my look in 3rd grade, but not so much anymore. Okay, and I'm scared. Okay. Stroke. Oh, why did you do? Shake off the excess.
No.
And just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part of it. Now.
With it. It was slightly terrible and now it's just totally terrible. Oh no, I got it on the computer. Oh no, break. Okay, we're back. I just cried to myself for an hour, but we have fixed it.
Something about like so.
This is where it also goes all downhill. Not that it hasn't already, but oh god, it got on my face. Do I let it dry? Does he let it dry? How? Just how? On its own, it looks okay, but if you compare it to Bob's, okay, so it's not terrible. White? Hello? Oh my gosh, no! Okay. Why is this so stressful? What? We're making trees? So we don't have a fan brush, but I'm gonna be using this thing. Also, why didn't he just tell me going with brown? How about I just go in with straight brown? Whenever I try and make a color, it doesn't work. So this is where it all goes downhill. Not that it hasn't already. I don't have the correct brush. Oh my gosh. This is. Oh, that was too fat. Bobs aren't fat. In our attempt to fix it, this is where we're at right now. Hopefully this is in focus. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're only 8 minutes into a 25-minute long video. I just want to go into a ball and cry. This is so hard. And I think I'm just going to skip the reflections part.
Why did I do that? Oh, pat all your misery away. Do you see that? The dang reflection. Why did I do that? How do I fix this? So we're back and not as good as ever. It's not even a reflection. It's a bunch of sticks. Actually, it's just a bunch of black lines. No, I'm not doing that. So we're getting our little X-Acto blade.
Imagination is, it's like any other muscle in your body.
I'm just gonna not stress about this, you know? All fun and games. I was kind of liking the white part, but then I went in too much. Okay, so I think this is where we finished our video. I'm gonna, cause I can't do all those trees and stuff. I'm gonna add a few more details to try and make it look less terrible. And then I shall do the final reveal.
So thank you for anyone who stayed till the end. This was an experience, to say the least. I didn't want to add the big tree because I knew that wasn't going to look good. Final reveal, it's a little boring, but it took many hours. Actually, it took like half an hour. But my first Bob Ross painting, and one of my first paintings, is this. I feel like actually, okay, honestly, it looks better on camera. There are multiple places where I messed up, but, well, actually, like every place. But we're just not going to talk about that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching myself suffer and almost burst into tears. But here we go, my final Bob Ross painting. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Also, here is the aftermath of everything. That's a lot of cleaning to do, so yay.